Welcome to Lydia's Plate. I'm a stay-at-home mom who is homesteading together with my husband and 4 kids. We do gardening, house cleaning, all the homesteading stuff, baking bread, experimenting with gluten-free foods for one of our kids, animals, and the like. So if you like that kind of stuff, stay tuned and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into this video. Today I'm making chicken wings, sweet potato fries, regular fries, and a spicy sauce to go over the fries. We're starting with the coating for the chicken wings, and I'm making it gluten-free for Travis today. So I'm using almond flour, some chili powder, garlic powder, baking powder, salt, and pepper. There we go. So she's going to finish stirring all those ingredients together. If you were doing this with regular white flour, you wouldn't have to break all the crumbs up like we're doing here, but because almond flour clumps together, we are breaking it up. So that coating mix is all mixed together with the clumps all broken up and the spices all combined. Now we're going to start putting in some chicken wings so that we can shake them up and get them coated. I'm putting about 4 to 6 in here at a time because I don't want it too full, and I'm just giving it a quick shake, and then I'm using my other hand to put them onto the cookie sheet so that I'm not wetting that coating any more than I need to, and Cassandra has offered to arrange them nicely on the pan. Now that that's all done, I'm on to getting ready for the fries. I'm going to do one pan with just regular russet potatoes as French fries, and I'm doing another pan with sweet potato fries. The first thing I want to do is peel my potatoes, and I'm not being super particular, I'm just trying to get the majority here. Once the potatoes are peeled and any bad spots have been cut off, they are going over to the sink where Cassandra is rinsing them and bringing them back to me. This is a recipe that I like to make on nights when we are very busy. We needed to be heading to town shortly, and so time had gotten away from me and I really needed to get going on this quickly. The wings were already partially thawed, so I just gave them a little longer baking time. The fries and the chicken wings both together each take about half an hour, and from frozen I just gave the chicken wings a little bit longer, so it was still a really quick meal. Quick considering when you think of making things from scratch and a meal taking 2 hours. So there we go, those fries are all cut up, and she is just finishing up rearranging those on the pans so that they can hopefully fry evenly. And then now, after we get the counter wiped, we're going to get out some lard and melt it to pour over these fries so that they bake well. We used to use a deep fryer and we don't anymore, only for the fact that the deep fryer uses so much oil. It's a big item to try to store, and then you've got to put that oil in the fridge if you're going to reuse it multiple times. If not, it feels very wasteful, for me anyways, and we go through a lot of oil. So we've just quit and we're doing this now, where we just drizzle a little bit of melted lard over the item in the pan that we want to fry, and then I just give it a quick stir so that the oil kind of gets everything all coated, or the lard technically, and then now they can go in and kind of half bake, half fry in the oven. It is also just the right time to flip these chicken wings, so I'm going to get those all flipped and let them bake a little bit longer before putting the sauce on. Now that that's all done, I'm going to set the timer for another 20 minutes and then I'll be back with the sauce. So here we are, here's the sauce, and you could use a basting brush to brush the sauce a little more evenly over the meat, but I'm in a really big hurry, as I said, so I'm just kind of drizzling it over right over the top of the wing, because with the heat baking in the oven, the sauce will already liquefy more than what it is, and it will drizzle down and run all over that chicken. So I'm just saving myself an extra dish and a little extra time. Now that that's done, I'm quickly mixing up this hot sauce. This is just mayo and Frank's Red Hot sauce. You could use a sriracha sauce or a chipotle sauce, but I don't have either of those. I have Frank's Red Hot, and I've tried this in the past multiple times. It tastes great, it works, it's yummy, so that's what I'm gonna do because that's what I have. I'm gonna give these fries a quick stir and then let them continue baking a little bit longer, but I think the chicken wings are pretty well done, So I'm going to be pulling those out of the oven once I'm done stirring these fries. Yep, those are definitely done. They are well glazed, and now I'm going to move these fries around a little bit just so that they can get a little more heat in different ways. And now it's been another 10 minutes and these fries are done, so I'm going to take them to the table and then I'll show you how I made my plate. So here we go guys, here's my plate. I hope you have another new recipe to try now. I hope you have been encouraged with another meal idea. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and the bell if you want to be notified every time we post a new video. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one and bringing you more ideas of what to put on your plate. Bye guys, and thanks for watching.